Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Coles Mastercard online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in the URL www.secure.coles.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. The Coles Mastercard is a type of a credit card offered by Coles Financial Service. To log in and access your Mastercard, you'll need to log into your online service center. Go ahead and type in your username associated with your Coles account and then on the next field type in your correct password. If you don't remember your username and password, click on Forgot your username or the password link respectively. If you are a first-time user for Coles Financial Service, click on the register link and follow through the registration process. After filling in your correct username and password, click on the login button and you'll be able to log in and access your Coles Mastercard. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.